open your UQ email inbox, and if you don't see the email, check your junk mail folder. This email from WordPress, JACdigital login details, is the email you're looking for. Follow the bottom link that finishes with WP-login. To log in, you need to use your student number email address, which is your student number followed by @student.uq.edu.au. Your UQ email inbox catches 3 different email addresses in one inbox. But for logging into JACdigital, you can only use the student number email address. This email address uses your 8-numbered student number, but we need to add an S, and when we do that, you need to remove the 8th number. So it's S with 7 numbers, and add @student.uq.edu.au. Put in your password and click Login. If you've lost your password, you can click Lost Your Password to reset it, put in your email address, and get new password. Check your email inbox or junk email for the email to reset your password. When you've logged into JACdigital, click on the dashboard, then go to Posts and Add New. Add in a title for your post, DSLR, camera, training. When adding in content, you can have the text or visual tab selected. Make sure you use the visual tab. You can toggle the toolbar, which will give you access to font size and fonts and different features. Let's put in a heading, DSLR camera training, and we'll put in a subheading, why getting the skills can help your creativity. Let's highlight this first one, and we'll format this by clicking paragraph and choosing one of these headings. I'll go with heading 2, and I'll highlight the subline, and I'm going to change this font, and I'm going to change this font to Tahoma, and I'll change the font of the heading as well to be the same. If you're pasting copy from Word documents, click this Paste as Text button to help with the formatting. Tutors need to find your work by using the category that you tick. If you don't tick a category, they may not find your work and you may not get marked. On the right side of the screen, you can see the category window. If you're in ComU 3130, tick the Sustainability Stories category. If you're in ComU 3150, choose the Social Media Communications category. Make sure you have the correct category ticked. That way your tutor can find your work to mark your work. To add in an image, click the Add Media button and select Files. Navigate to somewhere on your computer where you have the image you want to upload. I'm going to upload this camera photo. And if you get this error, it means that the JPEG or image file is too large. So you need to upload a smaller file sized image. Here's one that I've shrunk down in Photoshop. Processes and the photos uploaded. Make sure the tick is on the image. And make sure to add in the extra details for this image. We'll add in the alt text, retro camera and DSLR. You'll see that title and caption have been auto-filled, and we'll go to the description. 2 cameras on wooden table, one is a retro camera and the other a DSLR. Click Insert into Post, and our image is in there. You can click the preview button on the top right to preview how your post is looking, check this for any errors, and just close this tab to go back to editing your post. Go to Vimeo.com and click Join. Put in the details that you'd like to use for your login for your Vimeo account. Click Join with Email, and when choosing a plan, you can choose Free. Click Continue. On this page, there's an upload button in the middle, or on the top right, there's the New Video button with an upload button underneath. Click Choose Files. Navigate to where your video is. This one's about 227 megabytes. It'll begin uploading, and the speed of this will depend on your internet connection. Go to your video page, and over here on the right is the little share button. Click that, and you'll see a Vimeo link. If you click this link, it'll open your video in a new tab. From here, you can scroll down and click the share button, and highlight and copy this link with Ctrl-C or Command-C. You can also just go up to the address bar and copy this URL at the top. Now go back to your JACdigital post. Make sure to not directly upload a video to JACdigital through the WordPress browser. We recommend using Vimeo or YouTube and uploading there and using the link from that site into WordPress. Choose where you'd like to place your video. I'm going to place it down the bottom here, and you can just paste that link and your video should automatically appear. You can test it by going up to Preview and seeing how the video works. So make sure it works correctly. I'm going to use a SoundCloud file here. Click the copy link button. That'll copy the URL. You can go back to your post, choose where you'd like to paste this. I want to put it here after this video. Paste in your link, and a moment or two later the SoundCloud embedding should load. Yep. You can go up to Preview and double check that this works as well. On the right side of the screen, hit the drop down for feature image and choose Set Feature Image. If you wanted to add a new file for this feature image, you can choose Select Files or go to Media Library. I'm going to use the same camera photo I uploaded before and choose Set Feature Image. And you'll see that the feature image has been loaded. Now that my post is complete, I'm going to hit Save Draft. It's important to only have one draft saved for your submission. If you notice there's multiple drafts, double check the details for the last modified for each post. When you've found the draft that you want to delete, hover over it and you will see the red trash text. Click this and the draft will be deleted. Go back to your post and make sure everything's still there. Your post is not published immediately. When you're happy that your post is complete, click the Submit for Review button. Your course convener or other editor will review your work and either send it back to you with change requests or publish it, making it live on the JACdigital.com.au website. If you have any other queries, email maps@uq.edu.au.